Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Ford Edge Screen Easy Method. Press and hold the power, audio, and seek buttons together until the screen goes dark and reboots, usually about 10 seconds. If that fails, disconnect the vehicle battery for a minute or use the Sync Master Reset option in Settings. After reboot, restore your Bluetooth and presets and test touch responsiveness and audio controls for normal operation. Begin with the forced reboot method by pressing power, audio, and seek together for about 10 seconds until the display shuts off and restarts. This clears minor software glitches without deleting settings in most cases and is quick to try before deeper steps. After the reboot, test common functions like navigation input, Bluetooth calls, and radio tuning to confirm the system recovered. Repeat once if the first attempt does not respond. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to get more car fixes and friendly tips. Quick recommendation: I love the Simple Path to Wealth for a clear, funny look at money that actually reduces stress about repairs and upgrades. It's a small read that can change how you budget for vehicle care and emergencies. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If a reboot does not help, try the Sync Master Reset in the system settings to restore factory defaults, which can fix persistent software issues. As an alternative, disconnect the negative battery terminal for about a minute to force a complete power cycle of vehicle modules. If problems persist after these steps, schedule a service visit since the issue could be corrupted firmware or a failing screen that needs professional attention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.